The shocking AI tool gives you golden insider information in seconds, whether you're a KDP author, Amazon FBA seller, or Amazon influencer. What it shows you will completely change how you create and sell on Amazon. In this video, I am going to show you how this AI works and how to use it. Are you an Amazon KDP author? You don't want to create a book blindly and then try to sell it. And honestly, Amazon influencers and FBA sellers don't want to go in blindly either. Because whether you're writing a book, promoting a product, or launching one, going in without research is the fastest way to waste time, money, and energy. Only to find out no one's buying because you completely missed what customers really want. That's why before you choose a product or create your book, and even before you pick a topic or title, you need to know what's already selling on Amazon. And more importantly, how people feel about it. So you can offer something even better that will sell better too. And if you're an Amazon influencer, this is gold. By knowing exactly what customers are saying in their reviews, what excites them, and what annoys them, and what makes them hit that buy now button, you can create videos that actually get you commissions. You'll know which features to highlight, what pain points to address, and how to make your video the one that drives the sale, which means you get more commissions. That is where Bok AI comes in. Bok AI is a voice of customer analysis platform powered by artificial intelligence. It helps you understand how customers think and feel about current products. In our case, KDP books or anything you promote. It shows you how people feel, what they expect, and what motivates them to buy. It reads through thousands of reviews and turns them into clear, easy-to-understand insights so you don't have to dig through pages and pages of Amazon reviews yourself. Bok AI saves you countless hours, even weeks of research. And the best part is that they recently added updates that make product and book research even faster and more accurate. And they are running a Black Friday sale in which you get a 10% discount using my coupon Gabrielle10 and the link in the description. And you can try it out for 7 days free. When you know what your customer wants, you can create the right book or choose the right product to fill gaps in the market and get more sales and get better reviews that lead to even more sales. For Amazon influencers, it works the same way. When you know what triggers people to buy, you can build your videos around those emotional and logical motivators and watch your commissions grow. This kind of insight is incredibly valuable. That's how you stand out, whether you're aiming for a best-selling book, a top-performing product, or a viral review video. And of course, you can use Bok AI to analyze your existing books, your existing products, to see what's not working, fix what's holding you back, and uncover new opportunities and trends to jump on. Now let's go through a full walkthrough so you can see exactly how Bok AI works and how you can use it for yourself. Let's start by doing a broad search. For example, let's say that we want to create a coloring book. We already know that coloring books are very popular on Amazon KDP, but they're available for both kids and adults. We're about to find out which one is the better choice for us and what we should consider when creating a coloring book to make our customers happy and our book successful. It will show us all the related products, so deselect the whole page and choose only coloring books. For best results, choose at least 25 books or products. You can view up to 100 products per page. It is showing me the ones with the most sales, which is great. You can also apply filters to your search and even view only bestsellers and Amazon recommended products. It's good to choose many books or many products, even if they cover different topics. There are a lot of Halloween and Christmas things, but also cute and cozy, mandala, and even forest theme coloring books. This helps us see which coloring book topics are more popular and what people think of them. Once you're done choosing, press the AI Analyze button. That will create the report within seconds or minutes depending on the size of your search. The report is ready now, so let's check it out. It analyzed 986 reviews from the past 2 years. You can change the time range here and also download the report. The report shows us these key customer insights: customer profile, usage scenario, customer sentiment, buyer motivation, customer expectations. For customer profile, under who, we see that most buy for their kids, and most reviews are 4 to 5 stars. For when, they buy mostly during Christmas. Where shows us something surprising. Many of these books are used in hospitals. And under what, it says that these books are mostly gifted. Usage scenario tells us how people use these books. All of this comes directly from the reviews. It's interesting to see that many adults use these books as a hobby, and it even shows us the reason why they use them. Customer sentiment tells us how people feel about these books. It shows both positive and negative feedback and the reasons behind each. As KDP authors, we don't have control over complaints like thin paper, but we do have control over everything else. The positive feedback also shows what customers love the most, so we can focus on delivering more of that. Buyer motivation is one of the most powerful insights because it tells us what makes customers buy. If we target these motivators, they'll buy our books or our products. For example, most people buy coloring books for stress relief and gifting. Under customer expectations, we can find opportunities in the market by seeing what needs remain unmet by the current books. It shows us what those unmet needs are and why they're unmet. This allows us to create a better coloring book than the ones currently available on Amazon. Some of these unmet needs are beyond our control too as KDP authors, but we can definitely improve things like design variety, better quality illustrations, avoiding AI errors if you're making your books on AI, and make sure our product descriptions are accurate. Now let's look at the competitive analysis. Here you can compare each of the books you selected side by side. It shows you all their information, including customer profiles and everything we just mentioned. You can see specifically how each product performs in the analysis, and you can also download it as a file. Next, you can look at the 986 reviews that Voc AI analyzed. Voc AI has pulled every review for the books we selected, and we can view them right here. You can download them, sort them by most helpful or most recent, and even apply filters if you're searching for a specific word or metrics. Finally, Voc AI offers an AI topic analysis, which you can set up by clicking this button. Now, that was the customer analysis section. Let's move on to market insights. It will generate a report within seconds or minutes. The report is ready, so click on it to view. It created 3 categories: product analysis, market analysis, and product details. This is the market analysis section where you can see sales trends, brand comparisons, and hot selling rankings. It shows how many sales all these books got over the past 2 years, the average pricing, which is great to choose our own pricing, average ratings, and how those fluctuated over time. It also shows you how many sales each product got during those periods. You can view the graph by brand share or market share. When viewing market share, we can see clear sales trends. The sales drop in summer, then rise again in fall and winter, so we know what to expect. When you click brand comparison, it shows you how each brand performed. And the hot selling ranking highlights books with more than 10% sales growth, helping us spot trends early. That means you can create a book in one of those trending areas and ride the wave for more sales. These are fantastic entry points to jump in a trend and get lots of traction fast. On the product details tab, you'll find all the books listed with their general information. Voc AI does have more options that you can explore, but this is the nitty-gritty of the insights that you need to succeed. As you see, Voc AI makes market and product research really simple and fast. And all these insights give you all the data you need to gain an advantage and create books that readers actually want, products that people will actually buy, and reviews that will actually get your customer to buy too. And don't forget, they're running a Black Friday sale where you get a 10% discount with my code Gabrielle10 with the link in the description and also the QR code on the screen. And you can try it out 7 days for free. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. I am very happy to help. If you like this helpful information, please remember to like and subscribe. And don't forget to watch my next video.